Hi guys, welcome to the channel Tamil Tradition Generati. Do subscribe and click the bell icon. This recipe is called Chana Dal Curry or Chana Dal Kootu. This is rich in proteins and very healthy. I have taken 1½ cup of chana dal and add some water and allow it to cook for 20 minutes in the medium flame. When it started to boil, add half teaspoon of turmeric and 1 teaspoon of castor oil. Why I am adding castor oil to dal is, it makes the dal cook faster and takes away the bad gastric problem from the dal. I have taken a bottle gourd and sliced off the skin and cut them into small pieces. After the dal is half cooked, I am going to add the chopped bottle gourds to it. The next comes the normal seasoning. Oil the pan, add some mustard, urud dal, some curry leaves, and 2-3 dry chilies. Chop 1 medium-sized onion and 1 medium-sized tomato and add one by one. Here I am adding a frozen tomato. To cook them fast, add a little bit of salt to it. In the meanwhile, our chana dal and bottle gourds are cooked. Now let's prepare the coconut paste. I have taken a little amount of coconut, 5 green chilies, some garlics and 1 teaspoon of jeera. Grind them in the mixer grinder by adding a little bit of water to it. Just give 2 minutes for cooking the coconut. Don't overcook it. Finally, I am adding the seasoning to it. I have washed the mixer grinder and added the water also. Finally, mix everything and cook for 2 minutes in a low flame. Add some corianders in the last. Serve it with the hot rice and ghee. Tip of the day. If you want to add coconut to your gravy, add it at the last. But don't overcook it. When it is overcooked, it turns into a bad cholesterol to your body. For more such South Indian recipes, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. Thank you guys. Thanks for your support.